Pilipino. Do you believe so?
Yes.
Ha?
Yes.
Hindi ba tayo nahihiya kay Rizal? Rizal was born 150 years ago. And you were born 150 years after him. That means, if Rizal did it before, you can do better. Do you believe so? We can be better than Rizal. Because we have the technology that we need to do greatness. Naniniwala ba kayo? Tignan nyo ha, di ba si Rizal nakapag-travel around the world, 2 beses siya lumipat sa buong mundo without an airplane. And he traveled the world without cars. He wrote books without internet or blogs. Just imagine, if you have something, no, like Rizal, you have the capability, capacity, no, knowledge, skills, and technology. What can you do more than him? Isipin niyo ito, kabataan Pilipino. Si Rizal, hindi ko siya kilala at hindi niya ako kilala. Bakit? Hanggang ngayon si Rizal ay tinitingala at tinikilala. Alam niyo ba si Rizal? Ito siya, ng 10 years old siya. Siguro kung nabuhay ako ng panahon ni Rizal, magbarkada kami.